Hey friends, it's time for us to do our Heggerty for the day, okay? So we are going to play our rhyme production game. Do you remember how that goes? Where I give you a word, a silly word, and then you tell me what the real word would be that would rhyme with the silly word? Okay, so for this one, the category is animals. So everything I say is going to be a type of animal, okay? So if I say mog, what animal sounds like mog? Dog. Good job. If I said wat, what animal sounds like wat? At. Cat. Or you could have said rat. Those are both acceptable. How about tamel? Tamel. Can you think of an animal name that sounds like tamel? Camel. Good job. How about tear? What is an animal that sounds like tear? Bear. Bear sounds like tear. How about biger? Biger. What's a word that sounds like biger? Tiger. All right, awesome work, guys. Let's do the which word begins like game, okay? So I'm going to give you a word, and then you are going to pick from two other words and tell me which one of those has the same first sound as the word I gave you, okay? So if I gave you the word puddle, puddle, which word begins like puddle? Will or pack? Puddle. Which word begins with the same sound? Will or pack? Pack sounds like puddle. Good job. Which word begins like yawn? Yawn. Zebra or yarn? Which word begins like yawn? Yawn. Zebra or yarn? Yarn. Yawn and yarn both start with the y sound, okay? All right, let's do one more, okay? Let's do color. Color. Which word begins like color? Cast or love? Turn to the person you're working with right now and tell them which word begins like color. Cast or love? Cast. Good job. Cast and color both have the k sound at the beginning. All right, now let's get our choppers out. I'm gonna give you 2 syllables. You're gonna chop them and then blend it together, okay? So if I said storage, you would say storage, storage. And that has how many syllables? 2, because I gave you storage. All right? If I said gravity, you would go gravity, gravity. All right, see how we're pulling those words together? I'm giving you syllables and then you're making the word all by yourself, okay? So try it with this one. Harden, harden. What is the word harden? Harden, harden, harden. Like when you put water in the freezer, it hardens into ice. Okay. Now try this one. Dedicate. 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 Good job. athletic, athletic. What word am I saying? Athletic. Chop it and blend it. Athletic, athletic, athletic. Yeah, it means like you're good at sports. You're athletic. All right. Army, army. What word am I saying? Army, 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 army. The branch of our, what is that? Branch of our armed forces. Sorry, went blank there. I almost said government. Okay, so now we have the final sound. We're going to isolate the final sound, the last sound we hear at the very end, okay? So if I said dress, class, what is that last sound that you hear? Dress, class. Good job. All right, now let's try paint, point, paint, point. What is that last sound in paint and point? T. Good job. All right, how about gum and dream? Gum, dream. What is that final sound in gum and dream? Good job. All right, let's move on. Y'all are doing so awesome. All right. We are going to add to the end, okay? So we have we're gonna have two words and or two syllables, we're gonna put them together to make a new word, okay? So if I give you the word rain and we add ing, rain, and then I add ing, we have rain-ing, raining. Storm-ing, storm-ing, storming. Do this with me, guys. Storm-ing, storm-ing, storming. Snow-ing, snow-ing, snowing. Let's do one more, okay? Freeze-ing. What would our new word be if we have freeze and we add ing? Freeze-ing. Freezing. Good job. All right, now let's play it where we take the ending away, okay? So we have melted, melt-id. If we take id away, melt-id, melt. If we have twisted, if we take the id away, we have twist, id, twist. If we have rented, rent, id. We take the id away, we have rent. Rented, take the id away, we have rent. Okay, you do this one on your own. Lifted, lifted. If we take the id away from lifted, what are we left with? So we have lift, id, lift, id. Take that id away, what do we have? Lift. Good job. All right, and that is it for our Heggerty for the day. Y'all are doing so awesome. I will see y'all later for more RLA. Bye, guys.